All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one that is reaching us still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what the days, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so it has happened again. We just talked about this not quite long. My brother, my sister, what is going on in this country now? Maybe yesterday we were talking about this so-called was ISWAP son that has said he has given his life to the Nigerian police, that he is no longer, in fact, to the security personnel, that is no longer a part of what his father created, of what his father founded. Yes, so we're talking about the son of the man who founded the ISWAP group in the north. The song came out yesterday, and we talked about it, that this son came out and he was of the opinion that he is no longer interested in the activities of what his father created, the ISWAP and the Boko Haram and the rest of them, that now he wants to be a new creation, that all things have passed away, that everything that those people have been doing to him, he has now seen them as bad thing, of which this same boy, where would they talk about? The boy don't follow by many people, he don't follow do many things, he know everything, how to enter, how to come out, how to you understand those kind of people now. And many people now came out, they were of the opinion that this one, that this boy is saying he has repented, that he wants to release himself to the Nigerian security. This is exactly what they did then, that this is a trap for these people to be sent into Nigerian military so that they will be able to capture a lot of people. And everybody came out yesterday, we were talking about it like play like joke. My brother, my sister, another strong one don't happen. Hey, another strong one don't happen. This one is happening live, and it happened in Cross River as a man dressed in military uniform invaded community brutally. In fact, I want to call this one for pidgin. Then brutally, then sleep with then brutally sleep with 5 women by fire by force. So all those 5 women will be say then sleep with, they can't buy. You understand that because of this platform policy. So it get us what they talk and we not go understand them. This is 5 soldier. They enter inside the Cross River. They enter inside Cross River and they enter inside the community. One community like that, I will call the name of the community. Then say the Odukpani local government area of Cross River State. I be the name of the community. And they still call one part of the community Umbehang Ukwa community. Okay, anybody will be say did that side, or you get friend where they you go don't understand the place where are they talk about. Now this is soldier, they enter, then be 5 of them. As they enter inside this community, now in them used by force, by fire by force, they sleep with 5 women for that community, and they make sure say they buy those women as they sleep with them. Okay, now you can understand what they talk about. Now you see now everybody don't shout, say waiting be this, waiting they happen. We they talk one, another one they sup. We they talk one, another one they sup. Now make a carry on and reach there. You see that boy will come out yesterday, we be say he say in papa na him be the founder of ISWAP. The boy can't say no one they do waiting those waiting papa they do, say all those baba thing where they don't do in don't tire, say no get interest again. Say now he can't carry himself go meet the Nigerian security men. Say now he don't surrender. Say do he no say don't do bad thing before, he don't follow by and all that. Say now make them forgive him, and now he won't take a new leave. Now everybody can come and say na lie you, all this thing wey be say these people they talk now, so then go do before you know wetin they gonna say they don't forgive them for this regime wey be saying our Yoruba man now in they in charge. This one no be Buhari regime wey be say Buhari go say make them forgive them, make them rehabilitate them, of which our Chief Sunday Igboho you no do anything wey near this thing, you no even do any bad thing at all. Then pursue am, they won't buy am, they won't do everything, but then wey be say then they commit the atrocity, they will come and say they don't repent repent. The next thing they go say make them leave them, make them recruit them. In fact, make them rehabilitate them, come put them inside. After rehabilitation, they come recruit them, put them inside the Nigerian army. Hey, my brother, my sister, everybody say lie, we no go gree. That boy will come down yesterday. They talk say na him papa be the person wey be say he start na him found the e-swap. So now he come meet the government security men. Say like this, oh. He don't change. He no want do that thing again. Say make the help and people shout say lie all this one. At the end of the day, they can't turn into oga. If you don't become oga, now he go come they tell everybody how they go take part this one, how they take part or say them be spy. Yes, now him be the thing where we say everybody come they talk about this one. We just they happen for inside Cross River there. Now they say this men say them be 5 Nigerian soldier. We be say the enter now in the nation say then sleep with 5 women. As they sleep with 5 men, they not even 5. They not be 5 Nigeria military men. Say them be military men. They not give us the number, but these military men sleep with 5 women. I don't know whether they reach 30 or 40, but now 5 women they tell us say they sleep with their uniform. They sleep with these 5 women by fire, by force. Now they sleep with them till they buy them as then they sleep with them. Now everybody don't come out and say now waiting with the talk. Say all these men will be say they enter. Say that them be all those Fulani men will be say Buhari don't recruit back into the military. Say na them, say na the strategy where they want to do now. They want to start them with a Cross River. Everybody come they shout. Say like this, oh, make everybody wake up. Like this, oh, they don't start again. Oh, see another trap, another pattern, another dimension. My brother, my sister, we don't talk this thing. As far as this country is concerned, nothing they working. Somebody talk one thing, we be say that thing they always they touch me, which is with the people wey be say they don't buy for this country, innocent souls wey they don't buy, people wey no do anything, say their blood no go let the rest of mind dey for this country. And another kind of country, some people see they shout say we be one, say mo see go better for where. My brother, my sister, we should stop talking say this thing e go better. No be small something. Everybody don't come outside say wetin dem dey tell us. Nothing say we don't know wetin dey happen. The people wey be say them wear that uniform, them be Nigerian soldier, but them be Fulani people wey be say Buhari recruit inside Nigeria army. All those Boko Haram people wey be say they don't wey Buhari bring, say there's still plenty. They still dey inside the Nigeria military. Say now make everybody wake up. Enough is enough. See, in fact, the best be say make everybody waka alele on your own. Everybody make we separate. Yoruba nation no going back. Now so the Biafra too. Then they shout them. Thank God the Hausa people now don't come outside. They can't talk say like this. So make the Yoruba people cooperate with them. Say they ready work with the Yoruba. Then ready work with the Igbo. So that all of us go feel pursue all these Fulani people, because they don't buy the Hausa people well too. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Now the news will be say if they reach us now be this. What I say make I let una know as they hot and as they gbona until I come your way next time. My brother, my sister, if this one now your first time will be say you they join us onto this level, I beg make you help us to subscribe, make you like, make you share, make you for go viral as they hot. No letter and kolo bo se ngbona yen e ma se je ko tutu rara until I come your way next time. My brother, my sister, I say on a bye for now.